discuss the topic Holi, the last topic of your book, First Flight. Sorry, the second book, Footprints Without Feet. Okay, the chapter is Holi. We are going to describe now. So discuss now. So first I'll give you the introduction of this topic. Okay, then we'll go for the explanation and the difficult part of the story. Clear? So in this story, this is a story about a girl whose name is Bholi. Actually, her name is Sulekha, but in his childhood, this was a nickname given to her because of her behavior. Like she behaved like an innocent child. Okay, that is why because of her innocence, this name has been given to her in her childhood. That was Bholi. Okay, so from her very childhood, Bholi was neglected at home. And why did her teacher take special interest in her? Did Bholi measure up to her teacher's explanation? Sorry, expectations of the teachers. So these type of questions, answers will get from this story after reading this. Okay. And here also some questions for you that you will find out the answers of these questions from this story during the reading and explanation of this. Why is Bholi's father worried about her? And the second, for what unusual reason is Bholi sent to school? Okay, as we see in this topic that Bholi's elder sisters, they didn't get any education. Okay, they were illiterate and just they were used to do the work of their households. Okay, and then they got married. Only Bholi was exception there, that she has to send school. Okay. Now we'll see the explanation of this. So the introduction is clear. As everyone neglect her at her home because she was ugly by her looking wise. Okay. Her appearance was not so like she was not so beautiful, and she was also not much intelligent. Clear? So these were the author is telling the qualities of her character. So because of these traits, she was neglected at her home. Okay, and also and at the end she did something that was appreciable. So this will know in this story after reading this. Clear? Her name was Sulekha, but since her childhood, everyone had been calling her Bholi, the simpleton. Simpleton means? No. Yes, this is also showing simpleton, a foolish person. Okay, a foolish person or easily tricked by words. जो किसी की भी बातों में आ जाए, that the innocent person that can be tricked by anyone else easily. Okay, that is why they called her Bholi, क्योंकि वो जल्दी से किसी की भी बातें मान लेती थी और किसी की भी बातों में आ जाती थी. She doesn't know the manner of the person, that in what way they are talking to her. Okay. She was the fourth daughter of Nambardar Ramlal. Do you know Nambardar? Her father. A person who collects revenue in a village. Okay. Because Nambardar उसी को कहते हैं जो एक पोजीशन रखता है in a village and who collect the revenues of. Okay. Who collect the. So an official man who collect the revenue, that is called Nambardar. So her father was Nambardar and his name was Ramlal. When she was 10 months old, she had fallen off the cord on her head and perhaps it had damaged some parts of her brain. Okay, when she was 10 months old, so she fallen down from the bed. Got means bad. So she just gotten injured in her brain. Okay, उसको एक चोट लग जाती है, इंजरी हो जाती है बचपन में ही, and perhaps it had damaged some parts of her brain. That was why she remained a backward child. Backward child means a slow learner. Okay, like उसने बोलना भी बहुत अपनी एज से थोड़ा पीछे हो जाना. Is it clear? Slow. And came to be known as Bholi and simpleton. और इसीलिए उसको foolish या innocent की वजह से उसको ये नाम दिया गया, because she was slow learner, she was not intelligent. much intelligent. That is why this name has been given to her, Bholi. At birth, the child was very fair and pretty. When she was born, she was very pretty and fair child. But when she was 2 years old, she had an attack of smallpox. Smallpox you know very well, chicken pox, एक disease होती है, तो उसको एक चिकन पॉक्स हो जाता है, जो स्मॉल मतलब छोटे छोटे या कम होती है जिसको, उसको स्मॉल पॉक्स बोला जाता है. जब बहुत ज़्यादा होती है तो वो चिकन पॉक्स के नाम से आप जानते हैं, लेकिन बहुत हल्की माइनर होती है तो स्मॉल पॉक्स हो जाती है. बट इट गेव सम स्कैर्स एंड सम मार्क्स टू हर. उसकी वजह से उसके फेस पर कुछ मार्क्स रह गए, राइट. ओनली द आईज वर सेव्ड. सिर्फ आईज बची थी, बाकी पूरा फेस उसका वही डिजीज से कवर हो चुका था. एंड शी बट द एंटायर बॉडी वॉज परमानेंटली disfigured. Permanently disfigured means that entire body was affected because of this disease and it gave some marks on her body. Okay, disfigured means ugly. Her body became ugly because of those marks. Okay, by deep black pock marks. Little Sulekha couldn't speak till she was 5. Means till the age of 5 years she was unable to speak clearly like other children speak. Okay, as when she started speaking, when at last she learned to speak, she stammered. Stammered means a formal way of speaking, like stutter, हकलाना, या जैसे कुछ डरते हुए बोलते हैं ना बच्चे, क्लियर नहीं बोल पाते, थोड़ा रुक रुक के और थोड़ा तुतला के बोलते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड दैट इज फंबल वे ऑफ स्पीकिंग. ओके, सो शी स्टार्टेड स्टमर्ड मीन्स वो हकला करके बोलती थी. The other children often made much fun of her and also mimicked her. Means the other children of her surroundings, they copied her in what way she was used to speak. जिस तरीके से वो बोलती थी वो भी उसकी तरह ऐसे ही कॉपी करते थे, उसको हकला करके बोल करके दिखाते थे. Like they just made fun on her. As a result, she talked very little. Ramlal had 7 children, and you know, because of this, as the students copied her and everyone comment on her ugliness, on her lack of intelligence, that is why she was also having lack of confidence. Okay, that is why she speaks little only. वो बहुत थोड़ा बोलती थी, इसीलिए कि क्योंकि वो ज़्यादा बोलेगी, ज़्यादा गलतियाँ होंगी तो लोग उस पर वापस से हंसेंगे. Ramlal had 7 children. Her father had 7 children. 3 were sons and 4 were daughters. And she was 4th one. Means youngest in all the siblings. Okay, वो सबसे छोटी बच्ची थी अपने all siblings में. And the youngest of them was Bholi. It was a prosperous farmer household and there was plenty to eat and drink. Prosperous means rich, wealthy. जो फादर थे वो काफ़ी अच्छे फार्मर थे, हाउसहोल्ड एंड मीन्स सब कुछ था उनके पास. एंड देयर वाज plenty to means a lot of stuff he was having to eat and drink at his home. All the children except Bholi were healthy and strong. Means only Bholi wasn't strong, she was weakling and also like she was exception in her family. Okay, all the siblings of Bholi were healthy and strong. The sons had been sent to the city to study in schools and later in college, because it was also there. It is the story of ancient times, so it was a custom there that the girls are not allowed to go for the study and only boys are having the right to go out and to do this study, right? So girls were not, because it ऐसा माना जाता था ना पहले टाइम में कि गर्ल्स को सिर्फ घर के काम काज ही सीखने हैं, उसको बाहर नहीं पढ़ने जाना है. And only this right was for the boys only, that they can go and they can go for the higher study also. Okay. So of the daughters, Radha the eldest, and yes everyone. So her elder sister was Radha. What is the name of her elder sister? Radha means she was eldest one. ऑल स्टूडेंट जो भी चिल्ड्रन थे उन सब में सबसे बड़ी बच्ची थी वो अपने फादर की, रामलाल की जो सबसे बड़ी बेटी थी उसका नाम राधा है, एंड हैड ऑलरेडी बीन मैरिड. ओके, एंड द सेकेंड डॉटर मंगला's marriage had also been settled, means her marriage was also fixed. Okay, had been fixed. And when that was done, Ramlal would think of the third Champa. Third daughter was Champa, means her second daughter Mangala's marriage has been fixed, and now he was thinking about Champa's marriage, right? They were good looking, healthy girls, and it was not difficult to find bridegroom for them. Means it was so easy for their father, for Ramlal, to find a groom to their daughters, because these were very beautiful and healthy, and means they were having everything, like it was easy to him to find out the groom for them. Okay, but Ramlal was worried about Bholi. Why was he worried about Bholi? Because she was exception in her family, like she was not strong like them, she was not healthy, she was ugly by her appearance, and she was also having lack of intelligence. Okay, means mentally and physically she was not capable and healthy like the other siblings. Bholi was 7 years old when Mangala was married. Mangala was second sister, okay, second number of sister of her, and when she got married, that time Bholi was 7 years old. The same year, a primary school for girls was opened in their village. Okay, before that there was no any school. So at the age of 7, when she was 7 year old, one school, primary school, was opened in her village. And the Tehsildar means a district collector. Okay, district collector came to perform its opening ceremony. वो उद्घाटन के लिए उनको बुलाया जाता है for the primary school. And he said to Ramlal, what he said to Ramlal? He told to Ramlal that as a revenue official, you are the representative of the government in the village, and so you must set an example to the villagers that you must send your daughters to school. He convinced him that he should send his daughter to school. That will give an example. That will be an example for the old villagers, because he is a nambardar, he is a revenue collector in this village, and he is a representative of all the villagers from the government side, right? So it's his responsibility that first he should send his daughter to school, then the other villagers will be agree to send their children to the schools, the girls. Okay, especially girls, because girls were not allowed to go to school. That is why he convinced this thing to Ramlal. That night when Ramlal consulted means discussed all those things with his wife, she cried, "Are you crazy? If girls go to school, who will get married with them, or who will marry them?" Okay, means according to his wife, she was not ready to send her daughter to school, because if they will send their daughter to school, so nobody will be ready to marry them. Okay, but Ramlal had not the courage to disobey the Tehsildar, but because he was Nambardar, he was a revenue collector, and he was also representative of government, so he was unable to refuse this, to deny to Tehsildar, means district collector. At last, his wife said, "I will tell you what to do. Send Bholi to school, as there is little chance to her getting married. With her ugly face and lack of sense, let the teachers at school worry about her." So Ramlal's wife suggested him that it will be better that if they are sending to Bholi to school, because Bholi is not healthy like other girls, she is not beautiful, she is ugly, okay, by her appearance, and she is also lack of intelligence, she is not having much intelligence. Okay, so it will be better that they are sending to her, okay, not the other girls, like Champa was also left. So she convinced his husband that will be better that teacher will be teacher will be worried about Bholi. Okay, they will take care of her. That what they have to do with her future. Okay, see the next. Does Bholi enjoy her first day at school? what will be happen with her when she came to know that she is going to school. Okay, you have to find out the answers of this question. And does she find her teacher different from the people at home? Because as she was every time facing a negligence and neglect at home, okay, but this time she will face some different situation, like the teacher will encourage her to live her life in a better way. Yes, so we'll see in this. The next day, Ramlal caught Bholi by the hand and said, "Come with me, I will take you to school." Bholi was frightened because she didn't know what school was. Okay, उससे पहले भोली को नहीं पता था कि स्कूल क्या होता है. That is why when Ramlal came to her and caught her hand, that and also said that she is going with him to school. Okay, then she frightened, she afraid because she doesn't know what is school. What a school was like means she never listened about this word, and also she doesn't know what is school. She remembered how a few days ago their old cow Lakshmi had been turned out to the house and sold. Now she remembered why she afraid, because she remembered one incident with her cow Lakshmi, that few days ago they just turned out the cow from their home and they just sold it. Okay, कि उन्होंने उसकी गाय को घर से ले गए और फिर उसको किसी को दे दिया. एंड हिज फादर ऑल्सो टुक सम मनी इन by selling it. Okay, no, she shouted in terror and pulled her hand away from her father's grave. Okay, from her father's capture, she just took away her hand because she was frightened, afraid, and she also again used that fumble voice like stuttered. Okay, वो हकलाते हुए कहती है, क्योंकि इतना डरी हुई होती है, लैक ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस, वो कहती है कि नहीं उसे स्कूल नहीं जाना, because she was thinking same, she was Bholi, she was innocent, that why she was thinking same thing, that that happened was with the Lakshmi cow, so same will be with me. What is the matter with you, you fool? Shouted Ramlal. I am only taking you to school. Now Ramlal shouted at her and also make her convinced that he just bringing her to school. Okay, then then Ramlal told his wife, let her wear some decent clothes today, or else what will the teachers and the other schoolgirls think of us when they see her? Now Ramlal again just only thinking about his social status, right? Not about his daughter. Okay, what he said to his wife? To made her ready in a decent way of dress. Okay, like nice clothes, because every time she was used to wear the clothes very ugly clothes, and these were given to by her sisters to her. ओके, वो सिर्फ अपने सिस्टर्स के यूजेबल क्लोथ्स ही पहनती थी, उसको नए क्लोथ्स नहीं दिए जाते थे. So this time he made his wife suggest about it. He suggested his wife that she should dress up her in a nice way. Otherwise, the people and the girls of school and teachers, what will they think about their family status? Okay, that I think they are not a good person and they just their children are like that. New clothes had never been made for Bholi. कभी नए कपड़े बने ही नहीं थे भोली के लिए, बनाए ही नहीं जाते थे. The old dresses of her sisters were passed on to her, were given to her to wear. No one cared to mend or wash her clothes. Means like she has to clean and wash those clothes by herself. Even nobody was taking care of her and her clothes. Okay, कि उसको उसके कपड़ों को धुलना है या क्या करना है, कोई इस बात की परवाह नहीं करता था. All these things Bholi has to do by herself, for herself. But today she was lucky to receive a clean dress which had shrunk after many washing. But this time they have given her a different dress that was new in her other dresses, as it was not new but it was better than her other dresses, and it was also shrunk because of many वॉशिंग्स। ओके, बहुत धुलाई के बाद ये भी एक श्रिंक हुई हुई ड्रेस थी जो उसको आज मिली थी, बट ये उसकी अदर ड्रेसेस से बेटर थी। एंड लॉन्गर फिटेड चंपा, जो कि बहुत टाइम से चंपा ने यूज की हुई थी। शी वॉज इवन bathed and oil was rubbed into her dry and matted hair। एक तो वो वैसे भी थोड़ा मतलब मेंटली इतना ज़्यादा हेल्दी नहीं थी, और बाकी उसका कोई ख्याल भी नहीं रखता था, तो इस तरीके से उसके जो बाल हैं वो भी रफ रहते थे। शी नेवर ऑयल्ड हर हेयर्स। ओके, और वो और भी ज़्यादा मतलब बड़े गलत वैसे गंदे से बिहेव में रहती थी, क्योंकि उसकी तरफ कोई ध्यान नहीं देता था, और वो खुद से इतना सेंसिबल नहीं थी कि वो अपने आप को परफेक्टली क्लीन वगैरह करके वॉश वगैरह करके रखे या डेली बाथ ले। ओके, and oil was rubbed into her dry and matted hair. Only then did she begin to believe that she was being taken to a place better than her home. So these things were happening with her, that she came to know that I think she thought that she is going a better place compared to her home than her home, कि उसे ऐसा लग रहा था उन चीज़ों से जो उसके साथ हो रहा था कि शायद अब वो अपने घर से कहीं अच्छे प्लेस पर जा रही है, बिकॉज दे वर मेकिंग हर गुड। When they reached at school, the children were already in their classrooms. Ramlal handed over his daughter to the headmistress. Left alone, the poor girl looked about her with fear-laden eyes. There were several rooms, and in each room, girls like her scattered on mats and reading from books or writing on sleds. स्लेट्स होती थी पहले, जैसे बोर्ड होता है वैसे ही छोटे पीस में स्लेट्स होती थी, एंड दे वर राइटिंग ऑन दोज स्लेट्स, एंड हेड मिस्ट्रेस आस्क्ड भोली टू सिट डाउन इन अ कॉर्नर इन वन ऑफ द classroom. Okay, so now the author is telling the description of the school. How was that? Okay, few rooms were there and the girls were sitting in their classrooms. Okay, and her father, Bholi's father, give Bholi to headmistress. Okay, उन्होंने उसको भोली के बारे में हेडमिस्ट्रेस से बात की, एंड हेडमिस्ट्रेस मेड known about Bholi, like she asked her to sit down in a corner of a classroom. Okay, main verbs